civilian aircraft carrier is concerned, we, like we said, our concept of operations in the Navy is based on technical groups, and our first aircraft carrier in service, that is Vikramaditya, is coming to the end of its life, some point of time. So, my perception, whenever we get the new aircraft carrier, it will be a replacement for Vikramaditya. So for some years, we will continue to have only two aircraft carriers. By time and space, it is not possible to go beyond that.